Why did you want to keep bees? Oh, that's a complicated yet simple answer. Beekeeping has been one of the most confusing, time-consuming, yet rewarding practices we've tried thus far. Some days I'll just sit here and watch the bees. We researched for years before finally getting a hive of our own, and yet we've still made many mistakes. This year, we lost 2 of our 4 hives to a swarm. We tried to prevent it, but in the end, there was nothing we could do. We perform hive inspections every 2 weeks. Mite counts every 4 weeks. It's a full-time job. It's our duty to do more good than harm. It's our duty to save the bees. This morning was still. The birds were calling, but not another creature made a sound. We woke up before the crack of dawn and rushed out to our farm. Today was another day of hive inspections. When working your hives, you need to work diligently, but with a soft and subtle care. To let the bees know you aren't an intruder. You're there to be their friend. We inspect frequently because bees are susceptible to so many diseases, so many problems, so many unknowns. Yet, we still work so hard to give them the best life they can have and do our duty in helping the population of the honeybee. Every inspection is different. Everything can change in a matter of days. However, there's one that never changes. It's the magic of the beehive. Watching their communications, their flight patterns, seeing baby bees emerge, it's quite the sight. We think the honeybee is the best example of how something so little can make the world of a difference. Without our honeybees, there would be no honey. They are the only one of its kind that can produce that liquid gold. They pollinate our crops. They create golden wax beneficial for so many things. Sure, there's a lot to the sport, but it's one of the most interesting things we've ever tried our hand at. We love being beekeepers. It's one of our ways of helping and preserving our earth.